A lot of skip rolling tonight. Let's see if anybody's local.
Around the Carolina, straight jacket, Northwest Georgia on the driver and ground plane, waving a hand.
How about you, Northwest Georgia? Got Apex, North Carolina.
410, sounding loud and proud over this way as well. I'm going to give you a Happy New Year's wave. Mr. 468, big block. Alcohol, high compression. You got that hammered down. Take care. I'll see you. We've been having quite a bit of skip up here tonight.
Break, break, break. Anybody here? Apex, North Carolina.
Hey, Apex. Hey, you talking about your flipping the switch back on that box there, Troubadour, when he talking about the light skip coming. Hello, DX Land. Hello, DX Land. 556. Oh, straight jacket around Northwest Georgia. Here's you over there, Apex, North Carolina. I'm gonna wave a Happy New Year's wave over that way.
10-4, appreciate it, Northwest Georgia's Big Mike out of Apex. Okay, guys, let me turn this down. No way you can hear that, but I just spoke to Northwest Georgia from Central North Carolina. Not too bad. Just heard from Shreveport, Louisiana. I don't know if he could hear me or not, but I could hear him loud and clear. Anyway, the skip is rolling tonight. That's why you need to get you a good CB. It's got a little bit of power. I'm out.